Good morning, you guys. Hey, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. So let's try to get this in the background because we're really working on the cuter backgrounds. Except for my face isn't a cute background right now. So today we are doing another week in my life video. If we're not surprised by now, then like what's wrong? Just kidding. I really like filming these. You guys really seem to like them and I'm super dark. I just always like to walk around when I talk to you. Should I sit in my bed? Ugh, that's how I get up on my bed. The old people sounds. Yay! If you guys don't remember, I lost my tripod and then I found it and then I lost it again, so I don't know where my tripod for this camera is. Sweet. Anyways, today's Monday. I just had my interior design class. I feel like I should like I just feel like I'm just not a good YouTuber. I did not do a week in my life last week because it was the worst week ever. I woke up on Monday and I was like, there's no way I can do this. Like, I cannot bring myself to do this. Like, it was a bad week. A razor scooter to the ankle kind of week. I didn't do that, but it's okay because like nothing really exciting besides like my traumatic, it wasn't traumatic, but like it was like a dramatic week. I had my class, that was fun. Didn't even pay attention. I started applying for a scholarship in it and like that's all I did and I didn't even finish. So I just have like a bunch of stuff I want to do right now. I want to make an acai bowl because like that sounds bomb. Well, let's fix that. Bomb. Yeah, that's what I got going right now. Hey guys, so I'm so washed out. So it's literally like the middle of the, not the middle of the night, like that's so over dramatic. It's 9:19. I am obviously very excited for Christmas. This is not Christmas, this is Halloween. And I would have my entire room decorated, but we need to do a room tour first, so that's why it's not all Halloweened out. But okay, so I started vlogging obviously. Yeah, I'm really hyper right now. I had so much sugar today. I probably ate my body weight in cookies and like ice cream. Not healthy. But so I just had a bunch of my classes, I did some homework, I got some dinner, and then I had my chapter meeting, which took forever. Chapter meetings, they take so long. So long. My head like looks like a little bean when it's like this. Like it looks so small compared to my body. Oh, hi. Okay. I feel like you can definitely hear my air conditioning, so should we? Whoa, I just ran over the chair. Let's turn her around. Guys, I'm so hyper. I literally so much sugar today, but like that's not a new thing. What if I set you here? That was a nice angle on my crotch. Love that. Story time. This story like actually makes me like feel really uncomfortable and weird and like I don't know how I feel about it. So I was talking to my friend Taylor outside my dorm room building and we're just standing there and this girl, like you have to scan your way in, safety. And so I was like kind of holding the door because I was like halfway in the building, halfway out because I was like talking to her. And this girl like starts walking in and she goes, wait, do you live here? And I was like, yeah, I live in this building. And she goes, oh my god, I heard there's a famous YouTuber that lives here. And I literally just froze. I was like, and Taylor, who was talking, she like starts cracking up laughing, and then I start laughing because yeah, I don't think the girl knew it was me. If she did, hi. But and this guy starts walking in and he like overheard it because like there's multiple doors, so he starts walking in and he goes, oh yeah, it's me, I'm the famous YouTuber, I have 300,000 subscribers, haha. And I was like, yeah, he's the famous one. But like, okay, seriously guys, like not to be weird or anything, but like if you know me, I don't like talking about YouTube. I really I don't like, it's my favorite thing in the entire world, but I don't like talking about it because people just like don't understand it, or they make like preconceived ideas of me. And like I understand that I am this person online, but the person I am online is not 100% who I am offline, because I do have to like censor myself and I do have to be a good role model. And I don't know, like not that I'm a bad role model offline, but like I'm a better role model online, that's for sure. I'm kidding. I'm so hyper. I don't even know what I'm saying. Sugar rush. It was like the weirdest thing ever. And now I'm like genuinely like scared. Not like scared to live here, but I'm like, how do people know where I live? How do... Guys. So yeah, that's my like dilemma of the day. No, she like obviously didn't know who I was, which was like a really great, because I like don't like it when people know I make YouTube videos. Like I just want to be a normal person. I don't want to be a YouTuber, if that makes, like I want to be a YouTuber, but like I just want people to see me as for who I am, not for who I am online, because I feel like people could think that I'm very like superficial online because I post a lot of Instagram photos and I'm like this put together person online, but in reality like I'm a mess and I'm a normal person, and like I'm not as like superficial and shallow as like people would think, if that makes any sense. Like this sounds so, I don't even know where I'm going with this. I'm going on a tangent. Yeah, people know where I live now, and I have the reputation of that YouTuber that lives in the building I live in. So and that guy knew how many subscribers I had, so I don't know if he knew it was me. I've never even seen any of these people in my life, so I'm like genuinely like, I don't know how to feel about this. Like, am I supposed to be scared living here? Not like scared, but like people know where I live. That's a little, I don't know how I feel about that. But my chapter meeting, I also learned that next year I'm going to be living in my sorority house, which I'm really excited about. Please, so yeah, I guess you guys are gonna know where I'm gonna live next year. That's fun. Whoa! Well, I wonder if I can still do, guys. Ah! I'm so hyper, and like I don't really have any homework to do, but I have homework that's due like in the coming days, so I feel like I could probably do that now and get her over with. I haven't even made my bed today. This is kind of like a cool angle. So it's like one of those like GoPro shots, you know? Anyways, I probably should be done talking for the day. I've literally done like 2 clips for this day. I suck at YouTube. Sorry. We'll get better at this. My issue is that like, okay, should we just go on like a full on like college tangent thing? Okay, we're gonna do it. Okay, I feel like I have not made like a best friend here. I made a lot of really good friends, and I've met people that's like people I want to get lunch with, and then people I want to go out with, and then people I want to study with, and people I want to sit and buy in class. I haven't found a person that I want to do all of those with, and for me like that would be my best friend. So I feel like I haven't really found, I found really good friends, just not a best friend. And like I know what's gonna happen. It's so early in college, maybe next year I'll meet one. Like it's gonna happen, I know that, and so like I'm not worried about it. But like I just haven't really met people that I'm like super close with and super comfortable vlogging around. So I just like, whenever I'm around people, I don't feel super comfortable vlogging because I don't have that relationship with them yet. Not only to just like put them on the camera. Is she coming in? Hello? Not only to like put them on my channel, but like also just to be the comfort level of like me bringing out a camera and talking, because if I'm around someone that I'm not comfortable with, I don't like to vlog because it makes me feel uncomfortable, if that makes any sense. So that's really why I haven't been like vlogging kind of like outside of my dorm room. It's just because there hasn't really been someone that I'm like, you know, and there are people that I've gotten really close to, but they're not people I want to share with you guys because personal privacy, things like that. So this has been a mess. Obviously the light, like look at me right now, like oh my god, I need a shower. But I'm gonna say goodnight for the night. This has been a long freaking thingamahoover, I don't know, but I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, today is Tuesday. I just changed into this because it's like cold in my dorm. For once in my life, it's normally so hot in here because I don't control the AC. I just had a class. That class genuinely makes me mad. Like every single time I'm in there, I like physically get angry. I'm like, this is the worst class ever. I actually have a study room in my dorm hall, and it's my new favorite place ever. So I think I want to go in there and like do some homework because that is what I need to do, and like I just don't get as distracted in there. So it's my new favorite place, but like everyone loves that in there. It's very nice. So we're gonna go in there and study. And why you're so close to my face? You definitely don't want to be that close to my face. Hey guys, just thought I'd tell you I'm really tired. I dropped my camera, my phone, and my laptop off my bed.
Really far down. Do you not see how far down that is?
I keep thinking that I'm seeing people in my dorm room, but it's like a pillow, you know? I did some math, and then that's all I really did. I looked up some classes for next spring, but I don't know which ones I want to take. I know 3, but I have 2 that I'm just like, I don't know, because I'm not really good at science, so I want to take a good lab science, and there's just so many options. And then I don't even, I dropped something again.
Right there, do you see it?
And I don't even know what a cultural diversity class is, so anyways, good night. It's like 12. We're in Ulta and I forgot my vlog camera, but we're trying to get our eyebrows done and every single place is just booked, and yeah. Ulta, that was Spirit store. She's trying to find a wig. Wait. That's weird. It's not doing anything. If we ever had a baby, it'd look like this. Good morning. Today's Wednesday. It is about 12 right now. I skipped my first class, which don't do that. But there's just no point in me going because it's an open note test and all the notes are online, so it's so early. I used to be so fine with like 9 a.m. classes, and now I'm just like, no. Instead of going, I was productive. I self-tan. I tanned. Real tanner, obviously not real tan. I need to rinse it off. And then I got breakfast. I have an obsession with the omelets at our dining hall. Real good. And then I did some homework. I have every single thing done for this week besides the math homework that we haven't learned yet. So, love that. I have a ton going on today, so woohoo. Hello, today's Thursday. It's about 1 o'clock. I went to my 2 of 3 class. My hands are so orange. Ooh. I have 3 classes today. I went to 2 of them. The other one I don't ever go to because there's no need. Yeah, it's a homework class. It's not even a learn class. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But I am in Scottsdale right now because I have a meeting with like a manager YouTube thing, and then I got lunch and I was eating alone, and like I don't really mind eating alone anymore. I used to like have a fear of it, and now I don't. But they were like these guys, and they were like, and I was going hard on nachos, but yeah, so that's all that happened. Yesterday was really chaotic. I had a no hazing event that I actually won a prize for, but I gave away all the stuff because I didn't like it. Oops. We're still thankful, we're still grateful. Oh, I went to a junior pan meeting for Panhellenic, which is a sorority thing. It was weird, I don't know. And now I'm just sitting here because I got here way too early, so. Good morning, today's Friday. Yesterday, ASU held a Foster the concert. No, ASU held a Foster the People concert, and it was like free to all ASU students, and I slept through it. Like, what? I was like, oh my god, this is going to make my vlog so exciting. A free concert, like an actually cool place, people, band, and your girl slept through it. I just had class, and then I got chop shop with some of my friends after, and it was so good. I want it more. I'm still hungry. I have class in about an hour-ish, and I'm super tired. I'm so tired, guys. And I have an extra credit thing. I need to go to our ASU swim meet because it's extra credit. And today's actually the beginning of parents weekend, so my mom and sister are gonna be coming, and they're gonna see my sorority house that I'll be living in next year. So that'll be fun and exciting. Hey guys, so right now I'm actually back at home from fall break. I'm vlogging on my phone because I left my camera in my dorm room, but I'm editing this vlog right now. That's me. I did not get an ending clip because for the rest of the day, literally all I did was just do homework. I had so much homework and I didn't want to do homework while it was parents weekend, so I did that. And then I went to the GLV thing, which is like the sorority house and like the tour, and since there's so many like people there, I didn't feel comfortable vlogging just in case someone didn't want to be in the vlog and then they just ended up being in the background. And then I just like went to bed right after that, so I know that does not, like, I know that wasn't exciting. I'm so sorry. I wish I could have vlogged, but I always just want to be respectful of others. If you guys follow my Instagram, you can see the brunch my family and my sorority went to for their parents weekend. It was really pretty and gorgeous. So if you guys want to check out my Instagram at Keegan Taylor 13, that is such self-promo. I'm so sorry, but if you want to see what parents weekend looked a little bit like, you can do that. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.